All right, so to do problem 1, it says that Gale Force is operating a small air freight delivery service. Every day she travels from her home base to another city and back. The cities she flies to are all less than 200 miles from her home base, and every morning Gale puts enough fuel in her small plane to fly 450 miles. So this morning Gale is distracted by a minor repair and forgets to refuel. What's the probability that she will run out of fuel on her round trip yesterday? So in this problem there are two variables. The first one is the mileage from yesterday. And the second one is the mileage today. So this differs from the prior probability problems we did because of that. So what we need to do is we need to set up an XY plane. With miles yesterday and miles today. So the most she could have flown yesterday was 400, and the most she could have flown today was 400. So this then is going to create our sample space, which is going to be a square. All right, so we know that somehow her mileage is going to be inside the square we have here. Now we have to figure out, all right, well, where is she going to run out of gas? All right, well, if she goes 450, if she didn't fly at all yesterday and went 450 miles today, she would run out of gas. That's outside of our sample space. Or if she went 450 miles yesterday, but no miles today, she would run out of gas. So this creates a boundary for where she's going to run out of gas. So inside the sample space, the region where she will actually run out of gas is right here. So this point is the point 5400, and this point is the point 400, 50, because once she goes 450 miles, she runs out of gas. So what we're going to need to do is we're going to need to figure out the area of the triangle and divide by the area of the square, and that will be our probability. So the length of this side right here is 350. The length of the other side of the triangle is 350. And so because it's a right triangle, we know that the area is 1/2 the product of the two legs. So the area of the triangle is 1/2 of 350 times 350. The area of the square is going to be 400 times 400. So computing that, you'd get 61,250 divided by 160,000, which would reduce to 49 over 28. Or sorry, 49 over 128, which is approximately 0.383. And that would be problem 1.